Who manages all desktop wallets in the cryptocurrency market? Desktop wallets are one of the most popular types of cryptocurrency wallets, used to store, manage and transact digital assets directly from a computer. Next, I will detail the main aspects about these wallets in the cryptocurrency market. What are desktop wallets? Desktop wallets are software applications that you download and install on your computer, providing a secure way to store your cryptocurrencies. They allow you to maintain complete control of your private keys, essential for the security of your digital assets. Advantages of desktop wallets. Security. Because you control the private keys, the risk of hacking through third parties is reduced compared to exchange-based wallets. Advanced features. Many desktop wallets offer advanced features like support for multiple cryptocurrencies, integration with hardware wallets, and portfolio management tools. Complete control. You have complete control over your transactions and funds. Offline support. Some wallets allow you to store your private keys offline, increasing security against online attacks. Disadvantages of desktop wallets. Malware risk. If your computer is compromised by malware or viruses, your private keys and therefore your funds may be at risk. Personal responsibility. You are solely responsible for the security and backup of your private keys. Losing the private key usually means losing access to funds permanently. Accessibility. Compared to mobile wallets, it may be less convenient for daily transactions. Popular examples of desktop wallets. Exodus supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and has a user-friendly interface. Offers exchange integration and portfolio tracking features. Electrum, one of the oldest and most reliable wallets for Bitcoin, known for its security and lightness. Atomic Wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies and tokens, and offers features such as staking and atomic swaps. Armory, focused on advanced security for Bitcoin users, with features such as cold storage. Desktop wallet security. To ensure the security of your desktop wallet, it is crucial to follow these practices. Keep software updated. Always use the latest version of your wallet to ensure you have the latest security fixes. Use antivirus software. Protect your computer against malware and viruses. Backup regularly. Store your private keys and recovery phrases in safe locations. Use strong passwords and two-way authentication. Factors, 2FA, whenever possible, add extra layers of security. Additionally, there is an increasing focus on integration with hardware wallets to combine the convenience of software with the security of hardware. Thank you, guys.